The Ponek M100 label maker machine stands out for its broad label width range, making it equally useful for small business shipping, home organization, and school or office filing. Its companion applications on phones, tablets, and computers make setup straightforward, so you can jump from design to printed label with very little fuss. The design software offers a deep library of icons, templates, and borders, which makes it easy to create professional-looking barcodes, address labels, and branding stickers without graphic design skills. Because it uses direct thermal printing, the Ponek M100 produces sharp, legible monochrome labels without needing ink or toner, which keeps running costs and maintenance low. Print speed and resolution are well balanced, delivering clear text and scannable codes quickly enough for everyday business tasks and busy home projects. Its compact body and built-in rechargeable battery make it genuinely portable, so you can label on demand whether you are at your desk, in a stockroom, or organizing on the go.